Hi there. Awesome that you are interested in our brand identity workshop or rebranding workshop. My name is Dori.
And I am Niels. We are helping companies with creating and distributing content for over 4 years now.
We have learned that sharing valuable information helps companies with attracting customers who want to fulfill a specific need.
In our workshop, that will take about half a workday, we will help you with creating strong fundamentals for starting a new company, new product or new product line.
Together, we will set up your brand identity spectrum. After the workshop, we will turn this into a brand guide containing brand colors, fonts, and logos.
And last but not least, we will show you how you can turn your newly created brand into recognizable marketing materials.
Do you want a strong, recognizable brand to support your marketing efforts?
Well, then this workshop is a perfect place to get started. Book your branding or rebranding workshop now via our landing page, and we hope to see you soon.